Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let's do it. I am Shruti here. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Share to your friends, relatives, your juniors and your neighbors. It's 8th day of the series from zero to hero. Today's topic is divisibility of a number. Students, you can divide any number easily, right? If one digit number is given like 8, you can divide it easily, right? You can divide it by either 2 or 4 or 8 also. What about two digit number, for example 24? Can you divide? Yes, you can divide it by 2 or by 6 or by 12. You can divide. What about three digit number like 324? Can you divide? Yes, you can. Obviously you can divide. What about four digit number? Let us take 3254. Can you divide it quickly? You can divide it, right? You can take 2, 3. You can try and divide, right? But if you know the trick how to divide a number, then you will answer this in a fraction of minutes. So let us see how these numbers are divided. So let us see divisibility by 2. Number is divisible by 2 if it has any of the digits as 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 in the ones places. What does it mean? If you take any number in its one place, if you have a number as 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, then you can surely tell that it is divisible by the number 2. Okay? For example, if you take the number 24, in the ones digit we have 4. So it means that this number is divisible by 2. Directly you can write as it is divisible by 2. Let us see how. Let's take 24. In the one place of 24 we have 4. So it means that it is divisible by 2. Directly we can write it as it is divisible by 2. Let us see how. 24 divided by 2. This will be what? 2 ones are, 2 twos are. Therefore 24 is divisible by 2. Let us see 4 digit number 3250. In the one place we have what? 0. 0 means we can divide it by 2. Let us see whether it is divisible by 2 or no. This will be what? 2 ones are, 2 ones are, carry 1. This will be 12. 2 6 are 12. This is 2 4s are, carry 1. This will be 10. Therefore it is 2 5s are. So this number is also divisible by what? 2. Let us take 5 digit number, that is 3, 1, 2, 4, 6. In the one place we have 6. It means that it is also divisible by 2. Let us see. 3, 1, 2, 4, 6 divided by 2. 2 ones are, right? 2 ones are, carry is 1, 2 5s are, carry is 1. This will be 12. 2 6 are, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are. Therefore, 3, 1, 2, 4, 6 is also divisible by 4. Let us take another example, that is 5 0 2 4. In the one place we have 8. It means it is also divisible by 2. Let us see. 2 ones are, 2 twos are 4, carry is 1. This will be 10. This will be 2 5s are, 2 ones are, 2 4s are 8. So here also 5 0 2 4. 5028 is divisible by 2. Like this we can blindly say that in the one place if you have 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, then it is divisible by 2. Right? Remember that if you have a number in which if the one place is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, then it is divisible by what? 2. Okay? So let us take divisibility by the number 3. If a number is divisible by 3, if the sum of the digits of a given number is a multiple of 3, then the number is divisible by 3. What is that? If the sum of the digits of a given number is a multiple of 3, then the number is divisible by 3. It means that if you take any number and then after adding those numbers, the resultant should be a multiple of 3 or it should be divisible by 3. Let us take an example. 7, 2, 2, 1. It is a number. Okay. What we have to do? We have to sum the digits. Means we have to add a digits. So this will be what? 7 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1. This will be what? 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. It will be what? 12. Is it a multiple of 3 or is it divisible by 3? Yes. Yes, it is divisible by what? 3. Therefore, here 7, 2, 2, 1 is divisible by 3. We can directly write it as 7, 2, 2, 1 is divisible by what? 3. So, let us see. Is it divisible by 3 or not? So, let us divide it by 3. This will be what? This will be what? 3 ones are, 3 twos are. Carry is 1. 3 fours are. Next we have 21. 2 sevens are. That is 3 sevens are 27. So we can say that the number 7221 is divisible by 3. So let us take another example. If you have 6, 4, 1, 3, 5. If we sum up this will be what? 6 plus 4 plus 1 plus 3 plus 5. The answer will be what? 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 plus 1, 11. 11 plus 3 is what? 14. 14 plus 5 is 19. Is it divisible by 3? No, it is not divisible by 3. Therefore, we can say that this number is not a multiple of 3 or it is not divisible by 3. Let us take another example. We have to sum the digits. That is, we have to add digits. Here we have 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 6 plus 7. This will be what? 7 plus 8 is what? 15. 15 plus 9 is what? 24. 24 plus 6 is 30. 30 plus 3 is 37. Is it divisible by 3 or is it a multiple of 3? No, it is not a multiple of 3 or it is not divisible by 3. Therefore, 7, 8, 9, 6, 7 is not divisible by 3. Let us take this example. What we have to do? We have to sum the digits. Means we have to add digits. That is 2 plus 4 plus 8 plus 4, which is equal to what? 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 plus 8 is what? 14. 14 plus 4 is 18. So is it divisible by 3? Yes, because in the 3 table we have 18. Therefore, this 18 is divisible by. So how can we know if the number is divisible by 3? First, we have to sum of the digits of a given number, and later we have to see whether it is a multiple of 3 or it is divisible by 3. If it is a multiple or divisible by 3, then the number will be what? Divisible by 3. Let us see divisibility by 4. A number with 3 or more digits is divisible by 4 if the number formed by its last 2 digits, that is ones and tens place, is divisible by 4. If a 3-digit number is given, we have to see that whether it is divisible by 2, divisible by 3 or divisible by 4. If it is divisible by 4, then its last digit, that is last 2 digits, that is the ones place and twos place, will be what? Divisible by 4. Okay, if a given number is divisible by 4, it means that its ones and the twos place should be a multiple of 4 or it is divisible by 4. Then we can say that this whole number is divisible by 4. Let us take an example, that is 286. So let us take this ones digit and twos place, that is 86. Is it divisible by 4? Let us see. 4 ones are, 4 twos are. Then it is not divisible by 4. It is not divisible by 4. Therefore, 286 is not divisible by 4. Can you guess by which number it is divisible? Can you guess? Yes, right. It is divisible by 2. Let us see whether it is divisible by 3. For divisibility of 3, what we have to do? We have to sum up the given digits. That is 2 plus 8 is what? 10. 10 plus 6 is what? 16. Whether it comes in the third table? No, it does not come in the 3 table. Therefore, this is not divisible by 3 also. Therefore, it is divisible by only 2. And also, it is not divisible by 4. Let us take another example, 4-digit number, that is 9532. So what we have to do? We have to take a last 2 digits, that is 1's place and 2's place. That is, in this, let us take, it will be what? 32. Whether it is divisible by 4? Yes, it is divisible by 4. 4 ones are, 4 eights are. Be 8. So therefore, 9532 is divisible by 4. Let us see whether it is divisible. Let us cross check. That is 9532. Let us take divisibility by 4. 4 ones are, 4 twos are, 8. We left with carry 1. This will be 15. 4 threes are, 12. We left with carry 3. This will be 33. 4 eights are, 32. We carry with 1. This will be 12. 4 threes are 12. Therefore, the number 9532 is divisible by 4. Let us take 342. What we have to take? We have to take a last 2 digits, that is 42. Whether it is divisible by 4? No, it is not divisible by 4. Can you tell me by which number it is divisible? Yes, it is divisible by 2 because in 1's place we have 2. So we can tell that 342 is divisible by 2. Whether it is divisible by 3? Let us see. What we have to do? We have to sum the digits. That is 3 plus 4. It is what? 7. 7 plus 2 is 9. Therefore, this number is divisible by 2 as well as divisible by 3 also. But it is not divisible by 4. So, let us take this number. Let us see whether it is divisible by 4. What we have to do? We have to take a last 2 digits. That is, here we can take 54. Whether it is divisible by 4? Here also it is not divisible by 4. Whether it is divisible by 2? Yes, it is divisible by 2. Let us take another example. What we have to take? We have to take a last 2 digits, that is 56 here. Whether it is divisible by 4? Yes, it is divisible by 4. 4 ones are, 4 fours are, 60. Therefore, 5256 is divisible by 4. Directly we can say that 5256 is divisible by 4. So, if any given number 3 digit or more than 3 digit number is given, if it is divisible by 4, then its ones and tens place will be divisible by 4. Okay. Let us see divisibility by 5. If a number is divisible by 5, if its ones place is either 0 or 5, then we can say that the number is divisible by 5. So, what is that? If any number is given, if its ones place is 0 or 5, then we can say that the number is divisible by 5 also. Okay, let us take an example. Let us take 250. Here in the ones place we have 0. It means that it should be divisible by 5. Let us see, cross check. 250 divided by 5. 5 ones are 5 5s are, this will be what? 0. Therefore, 250 is divisible by what? 5. Let us take another example. 5045. Its last digit is 5. It means it should be divisible by 5. Let us cross check. 5045. Let us divide it by 5. 5 ones are, this will be 5 tens are, 5 nines are. Therefore, 5045 is divisible by 5. Here we have 10520. In the last digit we have 0. It means that it should be divisible by what? 5. Let us cross check. 10520 divided by 5. This will be 5 2s are, 5 1s are, 5 4s are. So this is divisible by 5. So we can say that if any number in its first digit is either 0 or 5, then the number is divisible by 5. So let us see divisibility by 6. If a number is divisible by 2 or 3 both, then it is divisible by 6 also. It means that if any given number is divisible by 2 or 3 both, it's not or, it's and. If a number is divisible by 2 and 3 both, then it is divisible by 6 also. It means that if any given number is there, it should be divisible by 2 and 3 also. If it is divisible by 2 and 3, then the number is also divisible by 6. Let us see. 212. Whether it is divisible by 2, because in one's place we have 2. Therefore, it means that it is divisible by 2. Let us see about number 3. What we have to do? We have to sum of the digit. We have 2 plus 1. This is what? 3. 3 plus 2 is what? It is 5. Whether 5 is divisible by 3? No. Therefore, it is not divisible by 6. Because it is not divisible by 3. Because 2 plus 1 plus 2 is what? It is 5. Therefore, it is not divisible by 3. It means that the number is not divisible by 6. Let us take 18. Whether it is divisible by 2? Yes, because in its ones place we have 8. Therefore, it is divisible by 2. Let us check about 3. 1 plus 8 is what? 9. Whether it is divisible by 3? Yes, it is divisible by 3. So, it is divisible by both 2 and 3. Therefore, we can say that 18 is also divisible by 6. It is divisible by 6, but it is not divisible. Let us see 324. We have to check whether it is divisible by 2 and 3 both. Let us see for 2. In the last digit we have 4. It means that it is divisible by 2. Let us see about 3. What we have to do? We have to add the digits. That is 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 4 is what? 9. Whether it is divisible by 3? Yes, it is divisible by 3. It is divisible by 3 and 2 also. Therefore, the number is divisible by 6 also. Right? How to check divisibility by 6? The number should be divisible by both 2 and 3. Then the number is also divisible by 6. Let us know divisibility by 7. If a number is given, if you want to check whether it is divisible by 7, then what we have to do? First, we have to multiply a number 2 of the last digit. That is, in the units place number, we have to multiply it by 2. After multiplying by 2 to this last digit, what we have to do? We have to subtract this answer. The last digit into 2. That answer we should subtract in the remaining digits, leaving the last digit. For the remaining digits, we have to subtract that answer. After subtracting the answer, if it is divisible by 7, then the whole number will be divisible by 7. So what it is? First, we have to multiply a unit place digit by 2. After getting an answer, that answer should be subtracted in the remaining digits, leaving the first digit. After subtraction to this answer, if the answer is divisible by 7, then the whole number is divisible by 7. Let us understand this through an example. Let us take 385. What we have to do? First, we have to multiply 2 to the last digit. Here the last digit is 5. Let us multiply by 2. This will be what? 10. After multiplying, this 10 should be subtracted in the remaining digits, leaving the last digit. Therefore, we should subtract 38 minus 10. This will be what? 28. If this 28 is divisible by 7, then we can say that the whole number is divisible by 7. Is 28 divisible by 7? Yes, it is divisible by 7. 7 ones are 7 fours are. Therefore, 385 is divisible by 7. So what we have done first? We have to multiply 2 to the last digit of the number. After multiplying, this answer should be subtracted in the remaining digits, leaving the first digit. After subtraction, we have to see whether the answer is divisible by 7 or not. If it is divisible by 7, then the whole number will be divisible by 7 also. Let us take another example. Here we have 322. First, what is the first step? We have to multiply 2 to the last digit. Here the last digit is 2. We have to multiply by 2. The answer will be what? 4. After multiplying by 2 to the last digit, to the remaining digit, we have to subtract the answer. That is, we have to subtract 32. In 32, 4. After subtraction, what we will get? We will get 28. We have to check whether this number is divisible by 7 or not. Here 28 is divisible by 7. Therefore, we can say that 322 is divisible by 7. Let us take another example. First, what we have to do? We have to multiply 2 to the last digit of a given number. That is, 2 into 2 will be what? 4. After multiplication, we will get the answer. This answer should be subtracted in the remaining digits, leaving the last digit. That is, in 421, we have to subtract what? 4. After subtraction, what we will get? 400 and this will be what? 417, right? What we have to do? We have to check whether this 417 is divisible by 7 or not. Whether it is divisible by 7, let us check. 7 5s are 35, remaining is what? Is 6. This will be 67. Whether 67 divisible by 7? No. Therefore, it is not divisible by 7. Therefore, 4212 is not divisible by 7. Let us see divisibility by the number 8. A number with 4 or more digits is divisible by 8 if the number formed by the last 3 digits is divisible by 3. It means that if a 4 digit or a more than 4 digit number is given, if its last 3 digits are divisible by 8, then we can say that the whole number is divisible by 8 also. Let us check. We have 5 digit number here. What we have to do? We have to check whether its last 3 digits are divisible by 8 or not. In this example, we have last digit as 5, 1, 2. Last 3 digits as 5, 1, 2. We have to check whether it is divisible by 8 or not. Here 512 is divisible by 8. Therefore, we can say that the whole number 73512 is also divisible by 8. Therefore, 73512 is divisible by 8. So let us take another example. 488412. What we have to take? We have to take the last digit and we have to check whether it is divisible by 8 or not. This will be what? 4. It is not divisible by 8. It is not divisible by 8. Therefore, 8412 is not divisible by 8. Let us take another example. 41872. Whether it is divisible by 8, let us check. We have to take the last 3 digits, that is 872. Divide by 8. 8 ones are, this will be 8 tens are. We left with carry 7, this will be 72. 8 nines are 72. Therefore, it is divisible by 8. It means that the whole number, that is 41872, is divisible by 8. So like this we will check the divisibility by 8. What we have to do? We have to take the last 3 digits of a given number. If it is divisible by 8, then the whole number is divisible by 8. If it is not divisible by 8, then the whole number is not divisible by 8. Let us check the divisibility by 9. If the sum of the digits of a number is divisible by 9, then the number itself is divisible by 9. Like it is like 3. In 3, what we have done? We have taken the sum of the digits. If the sum of the digits is divisible by 3, then the number is divisible by 3. Here also, if the sum of the digits is divisible by 9, then the whole number is divisible by 9. What we have to do? We have to add the given digits. Let us take 45. What is 4 plus 5? It is 9. Therefore, it is divisible by. Therefore, 45 is divisible by 9. It is easy. Let us take this one. This will be what? 4 plus 6 plus 0 plus 8. This will be what? 4 plus 6 is 10. 10 plus 8 is 18. Whether it is divisible by 9? Yes, it is divisible by 9. Therefore, 4608 is divisible by 9. If you want to find a divisibility by 10, then the last digit of a given number should be 0. Then the number will be divisible by 10. This one is easier. That's why I have left that one. Let us see divisibility by 11. So, to see whether a given number is divisible by 11, what we have to do? First, we have to find the difference between the sum of the digits at odd places and the sum of the digits at even places of a given number. If the difference is either 0 or divisible by 11, then the number is divisible by 11. What does it mean? First, what we have to do, we have to take a sum of the digits in the odd places and also sum of the digits in the even places. After taking sum of the digits in the odd places means here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we have 6 places. The even place is, this is 1, 2, 3. This will be the odd place. 1, 3 and then 5. This will be odd place, and the even place is 2th and 4th place. These are the even places and these are the odd places. We have to take the sum of these odd places and also the sum of the even places. After that, we have to subtract each other sum. After subtraction, if the difference is 0 or a number is divisible by 11, then we can say that the given number is also divisible by 11. So let us see. What we have to do, we have to take a sum of the odds digits sum. We have to take a sum of the odds digit, that is 1, 2, 3, means this is one's digit, means we have to take the odds sum is what? 6 plus 8 plus 9. This will be what? 6 plus 8 is 14. 14 plus 9 is 23. Sum of even sum is what? In the even place we have 1 and 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. What we have to do next? We have to take a difference of this odd sum and even sum, that is 23 minus 1 is what? 22. Here 22, whether it is divisible by 11? Yes, it is divisible by 11. Therefore, 61809 is divisible by 11.
Let us see the divisibility by 12. If a number is divisible by 12, then the number should be divisible by 2, 3 and 4 also. Let us take 324. We have to check what? It should be divisible by 2, 3 and 4 also. For 2, we have to take the last digit. We have to see whether it is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. Here the last digit is 4. Therefore, it is divisible by 2. Next, for 3. For 3, we have to check the sum of the digits. Here the sum of the digits is 3 plus 2. It is 5. 5 plus 4, it is 9. 3 plus 2 plus 4, it is 9. Therefore, it is divisible by 3. Right? It is divisible by 2 and also it is divisible by 3. Next, what about 4? 4 means we have to check the last 2 digits of a given number. Here the last 2 digits are 24. Whether 24 is divisible by 4? Yes. Therefore, we can say that 324 is divisible by 12. It is divisible by 2, it is divisible by 3 and also it is divisible by 4. Therefore, 324 is divisible by 12.
I hope you understood today's topic. The links of the other videos of this series is provided in the description box. Please check.